How to perform an operating test. A test kit is required. It is very light because it contains an air-gas mixture above the alarm point. The serial number and the lifetime of the sensor are specified on the product and in the user manual. Remove the mask from the test kit. Place the mask on the sensor and put the tube through the hole. Release gas for 2 to 3 seconds and wait. The red LED is on. Now the alarm is activated and the output is deactivated. Remove the mask once the alarm is activated. Once the gas concentration falls below the alarm level, the detector rearms itself. In case the alarm is not activated, check with the manufacturer to avoid damaging the sensor by using flammable vapors. Intermittent activation of the blue LED indicates that an operation test must be performed. The warning will activate every 6 months of operation. Permanent activation of the blue LED indicates the end of life of the detector. In this case, it is recommended to send the detector to the factory for calibration. If the sensor does not respond or its lifetime, approximately 5 years, is exceeded, it must be sent to the factory or the damaged component must be replaced.